Now, a computer for women. How did the idea come about?
I had the idea in a dream, originally, and then the next night I dreamt about it again. Then the next night I dreamt about it again. Then I probably dreamt about it again.
How did the idea come about?
And I thought, yes, I'll dream for the next 40 or 50 nights.
And that became the Petticoat 5?
Originally, yes, the Petticoat 5. The Petticoat 5. Yes, the Petticoat 5.
Let's take a look at it.
It's a computer made by women for women.
Now, the first thing you notice is the shape of the keys.
That's right, the Petticoat 5. They're designed to make it easier to type with long nails.
Oh, that is a good idea. And what is this?
The Petticoat 5. And on the side here, we have a tissue dispenser.
Uh-huh.
And over here is a vanity mirror which pops up when you press this button. And the space bar is an emery board.
So I suppose you could fix your makeup while you work?
Yes, I'll do that.